In this video, we will find out if this vlogging setup from the company Uskeyvision is the best setup for vlogging with your smartphone. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And today we will review the vlogging kit from the company called Uskeyvision, and I hope that I pronounced this right. If not, I'm sorry. The company was kind enough to send this kit my way, however, they did not tell me what I have to say, so as always, everything that you're gonna hear throughout this video is 100% my true and honest opinion. But let's actually get to the vlogging kit itself and let's see what you get. First off, you get a very nice looking carrying case that looks very similar to the one from Zhiyun that you get with the all new Smooth Q3. Next up, you get this really awesome little table tripod, and I really like this one because it's not as flat as those gimbal table tripods, and this is also built extremely good. I'm actually not sure if it's built out of some metal, but it feels very solid. And on top of that, you get a little mini ball head, which is also built extremely good and feels very solid. And this is something that you will hear throughout the entire video. And to be honest, when I saw this kit online, I did not expect a lot. But when I actually got it my way and when I was using it, I was very pleasantly surprised. On top of the mini ball head, you get a little mount that you can spread and close to mount your phone in it. It is super big so that it will definitely fit all phones, and it will also fit phones that have a case around it. So now you got a little table tripod with a ball head and a phone mount, and you could definitely just use this as it is and you can get some great results. But to get some better audio, you also get a little on-camera microphone plus shock mounts to get rid of any unwanted audio distortions. And with the microphone, you also get a connection cable both for your smartphone and also for your proper camera. So you can also definitely use this with a normal camera. And you also get a little pop mount and also for shooting outdoors a little dead cat. So now you got the tripod with the phone in it and also some good sounding audio. And next up we need some light to brighten our face. And you also get this within the package. You get this tiny 1x1 battery powered light that is dimmable and that has a little shield to make the light a little softer. This is definitely very bright and it will brighten up any face. And this is definitely not the most powerful light and it's not the best light quality ever, and it won't replace a big softbox. But for quick turnarounds and for vlogging scenarios, well, this is actually awesome and this is exactly what you need. So I am now here in my editing room, and as you can see, my face is kind of dark. I'm not using any light and the light source is coming from my back. So I have the light right here and I'll just, turn it on. And as you can see, when holding this, actually it brightens up my face very much. So turn it off again. So just that you can see the difference. Like I said, it's not the best light ever, but it actually does the job, and for vlogging scenarios, this is all you need. And well, that's basically it. That's what you get in the box, and that's how you build this rig up. And before I will show you some sample footage and some sounding tests and some scenarios that I like to use this rig, I would like to talk very briefly about Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. We are the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. We cover everything that you need to know when it comes to filming with your smartphone. What gear to buy, how to technically use it, creative techniques to spice up your videos to bring them to the next level, as well as the entire editing part on 3 different programs, and 2 of them work on smartphones. And since I get this question very often, it does not matter if you use an iPhone or an Android phone. So if you want to up your smartphone video quality, just click the very first link below that like button to get more infos. But now I will actually show you some sample footage that I shot with this setup, and I will also show where I like to use this. Okay guys, so what you can hear and see right now is coming from the Uskeyvision vlogging kit, but I'm just using, the internal microphone. And I'll now switch to the microphone that you get with this kit. Alright guys, so what you can hear right now is coming from the Uskeyvision microphone and also with the rig. And as you can see, I am walking around, and when it comes to the shakes and so on, it should be pretty fine. So what it should do as a vlogging kit, it does very well. So definitely a thumbs up from my side. So in the last clip that you just watched, you could hear some wind noises, and the reason for that was because I actually forgot to use the dead cat. And when you put the dead cat onto the rig like I was doing before, you have the problem that you have it in your shot. I'll just show you very quickly what this looks like. But I found a workaround, a kind of like workaround. I'm now using, this kind of like extension pole that you would normally use for the light. And now I have just my microphone just above here or below here, and it works just fine. So just a little workaround, but it works just fine. And yeah, this is also something that I really like about this rig. It's just flexible. There is no one way on how you have to use it. If you have a problem or the microphone is in the shot, just use this extension pole and then put it somewhere else, because you not always need to use the light, or you not always need to use the microphone, because sometimes you might just be recording some B-roll and you do not need to use the microphone. So I like this flexibility. I like to just put it somewhere and I can just go there, pick it up and go from there. So it's really versatile, it's really flexible, and yeah, that's the awesome part about this vlogging kit. So overall, I have to say I was really surprised with this kit. Like I said, the awesome part is that they deliver everything that you need with this package. If you have a phone and you go with this kit, well, you have it all. You have a tripod, you have mounting options, you have a light, and also some good audio. So, well, this is everything that you need. When I was using it, I loved the flexibility of using the tripod as an external arm, actually using and holding it like this when I was vlogging, but I also like the possibility, to just put it down on a table when I was not walking. So overall, a huge recommendation from my side for everyone that's looking into the vlogging game. And again, a huge thanks to Uskeyvision for sending this my way. And as always, if you guys have any further questions, please let me know. In case you have not checked out smartphonefilmmakingpro.com, make sure to do so. But that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.